This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm in apartment 2909, a studio, looking west over the sizzling Hot West Loop. Turning toward the south, look at the UIC campus and CTA trains a short walk away. And just north, Randolph Street's Restaurant Row. Roller blinds on the windows. A sill to set your plant. A nice wide space here. There's a wall-wide closet. Plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Looking at an L-shaped kitchen with a breakfast bar peninsula. Tile backsplash, 42-inch upper white cabinetry, contrasting with dark stained lower cabinets. Quartz counter, undermount sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. The 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. And you have both dome and track lighting in the kitchen. This apartment's going to flood with light when the afternoon sun comes around. Looking back toward the front door, behind the louvered doors, you have washer dryer and space for some additional storage. Continuing into the apartment toward the left as you would have entered, you have an oversized bath, marble veined tile on the floor, wide vanity, and then you have a soaking tub, and then you have a tub shower combination. Attractively finished bath. Arkadia has a very convenient West Loop location. Extensive amenities that include a sprawling outdoor deck, fitness center, resident lounges, and more. Apartments have upscale finishes, and they merit a spot on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.